Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation right now where your iPhone just can't be restored through iTunes. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, and I'll go and break down the main ways to do this. The very first thing I would recommend you checking is to make sure that your iTunes version is updated to the most recent version of software out there. Now, if you don't have iTunes, or if you're using your Files app or Windows or whatever, you want to make sure that your specific version of macOS that you're on is on one of the more recent versions of macOS. Now, this happens, and the reason this is important because every single update really does matter. And if you're on a super old version of iTunes or the macOS or whatever, and you're trying to restore from a brand new iPhone, sometimes those versions don't go along well, and you'll have to be updated in order to do that. There could also be issues with that specific Files app, macOS version, or iTunes file that is pretty much stopping you from restore properly. So that is pretty much the main thing I would recommend doing there. Now, if you're actually restoring, let's say not even from a backup, but you're just trying to actually go ahead and fix your iPhone in general, let's say you're stuck on like iTunes connecting, the black screen that we're always, stuck in at. What you want to do here is you want to make sure that the wire cable that you're using is actually of good quality. If you're using a faulty wire, if the USB port on your Mac or Windows isn't working well, then you want to try a different port, try a different wire. Those things can actually have a huge effect on whether it's going to, restore on your device or not. I've been in situations where sometimes the wire is fine, it's a genuine Apple cable, but the port, it was just not in properly. And even though it was able to register, I just have to unplug it, plug it back in, and typically it fixes it. For you, it may be a little bit of a different story, but those are relatively the most easiest ways to go ahead and pretty much fix your iPhone if it's not restoring from iTunes, the Files app, or whatever. Now, on top of this, the next thing that Apple actually recommends is re-putting your device in recovery mode and then setting it up again. So what this looks like is essentially putting your device back into, kind of turning it off and turning it back on to that Apple splash screen where it's pretty much telling you to connect to a computer. Now, I'll put on the display right now exactly how to do this. You want to put your phone into recovery mode. It's just a combination of all these different buttons that you have to press down. So follow the on-screen instructions on exactly how to do that. The next thing you want to do is plug your iPhone back into your computer, and then you want to open up iTunes yet again, and you will essentially see the splash screen come back up on your screen, and it's going to tell you that iTunes or the files, there was a problem with your specific iPhone, and it's going to require you to be updated or restored. And this is essentially all you have to do. It's a very easy thing. You just go and click restore or update, and from there you should be able to go ahead and recover your device for the most part. As I mentioned before, there can be issues where maybe this doesn't work again. You just want to go ahead and follow the instructions that I said earlier. But on top of that, you want to make sure the wire you're using is good, the macOS version is updated, the iTunes version is updated, so on and so forth, and you should be able to be good for the most part. So that's essentially how you do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.